In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Prospecting Workplace in HubSpot. To do that, head over right here into the Sales tab and then locate the Prospecting Agent right here. Proceed and click onto this button. Once we're in there, you can see this. You can head over and set it up by clicking onto this button. Add right here the name for the selling profile, the description, as well as the analysis for your website. You can also see right here your website that's analyzed, pain points, so just proceed to input right here any details necessary or relevant to your actual sale. Click on next, then input right here your contact properties, single users, and the likes. You can choose right here from which you actually want. You can use HubSpot credit for this as well, or you can send from a single user. So for this, you can select the identity that you can actually use and connect an inbox for it. So once you have set it up, you can click on a prospect to view their contact and company details and engage like options to call, email, and schedule meetings. So that's all there is today. And if you haven't subscribed to HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.